Hey guys, all right, we're back, and I wanted to show you. I think I didn't get a chance to show this to you on the other head, but remember I said I had three valves that were leaking through the intake. Well, three cylinders, so it meant three intake valves were leaking. They weren't sealing. Um, well, I think this might explain why they weren't sealing. Let me show it to you. All that right there. Now, yes, some of that is fairly new. I mean, it's really not years and years old. But with that being said, that much rust and crud doesn't develop within the week and a half that I've had the engine. Okay, and these are the intake ports right there. And not a big deal. It happens. It happens. All that is that this engine was out and some water got in it, and it sat outside, I guess, maybe for a little bit longer than what I'd thought from the junkyard, or possibly the vehicle came out of, wasn't sealed up right, because I mean, if you've ever been to a junkyard, they're not really always sealed against the weather. But I mean, look at that crud. And the good thing is, so as bad as it looks, it really does, it comes right off, but that will stop it from sealing. And the worst thing is, this is the intake. So if I was to have run this engine, all that would have found its way in the cylinder. It'd eventually wear off and it'd get sucked right into the combustion chamber. It would have found its way right into the cylinders. So if this was on the exhaust, not such a big deal. It would have got blown out. But this here was intake. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. Again, not a big deal, and this is what you have to watch out for with junkyard engines or any used engine. You just don't know how it was stored. You saw the bottom part of this engine. That's what I was worried about, and that's actually almost perfect. It's beautiful. But yeah, these the upper half, that would have caused me some trouble. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. I got to get back to work.